Hey, this is Diane Lee from Teach Pre-K, and Chinese New Year is just around the corner, and I want to show you something I do every year to kind of bring Chinese New Year into my classroom and have the kids do something fun. First thing that we do, we always read some books about Chinese New Year. One of them is Bringing in the New Year. You can find it on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description. We also have some math and literacy activities that are in my All About Chinese New Year lesson plan. It's just a mini lesson, just about a day's worth of math, literacy, and a craft. So those activities, you can find it in my Teachers Pay Teacher store. I will leave a link to that as well. But our favorite thing that we do is we make a Chinese dragon. We will watch a video on YouTube that is put out by, I think, Panda Express, and we will learn the legend of Chinese New Year. Then I'll show them a few little clips from Chinese New Year parades where people are manipulating the dragons and the lions in the parades with the big sticks, because that's related to what we are going to do. Also included in my lesson plan is this template to make a Chinese dragon with photographs and instructions. You don't need to buy my resource to make this dragon. You can find little pictures, you can make your own. I just did this because I had this clip art and I really liked it. So you will need a template. You will need red cardstock or construction paper, craft sticks, glue sticks, a hot glue gun and melty glue sticks, and also maybe some tissue paper in red, orange, yellow, some glitter, maybe some markers, however you want to decorate your dragon. So the first thing I do is I get my template and I make enough copies so that each child has a head and a tail. So I do that first. That's what I do on my red paper. Then I take red paper and I cut it in half lengthwise. So this is 2 of these. So I only need half as many of these. Like if I have 24 kids in my class, I only need 12 more pieces of this paper. So I cut it in half and then I accordion fold that piece of paper so it looks like this. After it is accordion folded, I'm going to take my craft sticks and my glue gun, and I am going to hot glue a craft stick on to either end of my accordion folded long piece so it looks like this, and this becomes those sticks to manipulate the dragon. So this is what it looks like on the back. These are hot glued on here. I have tried to just use a glue stick. Doesn't work. Liquid glue works okay, but it takes a long time. So if I have a hot glue gun, I can prep these the morning of if I haven't prepped them before then. So that is what that part looks like. So once I have my templates copied, I am going to cut out or have the kids cut out. I kind of start it for them, the head and the tail. Once the head and tail are cut out and the kids have decorated the head with glitter, we always do like some glitter around the nose and up here on this little part. We'll do tissue paper flames coming out of its mouth. Then we're going to take our glue stick and we're going to glue the head on one end and the tail on the other. So let me show you what this is going to look like. So here I have head on one end. I'm going to put the glue side opposite the stick. Tail on the other. And my head already fell off. You need to use a good amount of glue. And here you have it, your Chinese dragon. All set for Chinese New Year. I always take a group photo with all the kids holding their dragons, and believe me, you guys, they will take these and they will play with them on the playground. They will play with them in the class. They absolutely love these. Great Chinese New Year craft. A little bit of prep, but it's well worth it. Happy Chinese New Year.